DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. I'm your thematic teacher Shaakira. How are you students? Hope you all are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I am also doing well. So before going to start today's lesson, let's recite dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
So students, today Shaakira Miss is going to teach you a very interesting lesson, which is, yes, family. Today, the topic that I am going to teach you is family. So, now I am going to share today's learning intention and success criteria. I will be sharing the learning intention first. So, today you are going to learn about different types of family. Yes, you all will be learning about the different types of family. And here is the success criteria. You will be succeed if you identify and compare different family structures. Yes, you will be succeed in this lesson if you identify and compare the different family types or structures. So, before going to jump on to today's topic, I would like to ask you about what is the meaning of a family? Do you know the meaning of family? Or do you have heard this family word in any of your previous grades? I think you all are familiar about family. So now I'm going to share you the actual meaning of a family. So a family is a group of people going through the world together. Yes, it's a group of people with living together, which having often children and the people who care for them. So basically a family is about a particular type of group of people who is living together with children and the people who are caring for them. So now I will be talking about the family background. Do you know any of your family background, or do you know about your own family background? Let's see. And also, do you know where did your parents or grandparents or great grandparents come from? You should ask these two questions to your parents, as well as if you have a grandparent or great grandparents, you should ask these two questions to them. Because it is very important to know where or what is your family background. Our families come from a long line of ancestors, and long ago, people come from different countries, travel to Maldives for many reasons. Some of people came from our neighboring countries like India and Sri Lanka, and also from some Middle East and European countries. Yes, our neighboring countries' people come to visit our country for different reasons. Some of the countries are India and Sri Lanka. And from some of these countries' people, they settled down and started their own families in our country. Now I am going to talk about the different family structure. So as we all know that families come in all sizes. Yes, different family have different amount of people living together. Today I will be talking about the mainly two types of family. And the two types of family are nuclear family and extended family. Yes, this is the two main family that I will be talking about in today's lesson. So, first I will be talking about the nuclear family. You can see a picture of a mother, father with their daughters and sons. So this particular type of family is called nuclear family. So a nuclear family is the particular type of family which include a father, mother and their children. And they also will be living together in a separate household. Yes, this kind of family have a father, mother and children. Now you can see a large number of people in this picture, isn't it, students? Yes. So, who are these people? What do you think the name of this particular family will be? Do you have any idea about it? I guess you know. So, this kind of family is known as, yes, this is called an extended family. So, an extended family is a family that extends beyond the nuclear family. Yes, an extended family is the opposite of a nuclear family because it consisting of grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins all living in the same household. We can say this kind of family as a joint family because in an extended family there is living your grandparents, uncles, aunts and also your cousins. So all of them are living in one house. So this kind of family is called a big family or joint family, or we can say it is called as an extended family because it has so many people living in one particular house. As we all know, there are some similarities and differences between a nuclear and an extended family. So the similarities between the nuclear family and the extended family is that both nuclear family and extended family share the same function of socialization, whereby norms and values passing from the old or aged people to young. Yes, This is the main similarities between a nuclear family and an extended family. The main similarity is that both nuclear and extended or a big family share the same function of socialization. And the difference between the nuclear family and extended family is that a nuclear family refers to a single basic family unit of parents with their children. However, in an extended or a joint family, it means to their relatives as well as grandparents, in-laws, aunts and uncles. That is the main difference between an extended and a nuclear family. In a nuclear family, there will be living only your parents and the children. However, in extended family, there will be living grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, in-laws, everyone will be living in one house. So that's the main difference. Also, there are some other nuclear and extended families. Yes, some of them are named below. They are adoptive family, immigrant family, foster family, blended family, and also migrant family. Yes, these are some of the other types of family other than nuclear and extended family. Let's read with me again. Yes, the first one is adoptive family, and the second one is, yes, immigrant family, and there is a foster family, and also there is a blended family, and the last one is a migrant family. So students, now I'm going to tell you the meaning of an adoptive family. So please listen carefully. So an adoptive family is a family who has welcomed a child born to another into their family and legally adopt that child as their own. Yes, so in an adoptive family, they are going to welcome a child born to another family, but they are still legally adopting the child as their own. So this kind of family is known as adoptive family. So the next is immigrant family. So an immigrant families have been defined as families that have one or more members who moved from another country. Yes, an immigrant family is known as to have a member or more than one member who moved from another country. And the next one, yes, foster family. So a foster family is a family that provides custody or guardianship for children whose parents are dead or they are unable to look after them. So in a foster family, a family provides custody or guardianship for children whose parents are dead or they are unable to look after them. So this kind of family is known as a foster family. So students, now I will be explaining about the blended family. So a blended family is a family consisting of a couple, the children they have had together, and their children from previous relationships. So this kind of family is known as a blended family. So in a blended family, there will be living a couple and the children that they have together in their previous relationships. So now I will be explaining about a migrant family. So a migrant family is referring to people who migrate because of their family ties. Yes. So this kind of family is known as migrant family. So a family is migrating because one of their family members are living in other country, and due to this type of family is called as, yes, migrant family. Students, now this is your activity time. Hope you all are ready for it. So today you are going to have two activity. So the first activity is, yes, you are going to draw a family tree of yourself. Yes, you will be drawing your family tree. In your family tree, you have to include the people that your family has. And you also have to write what kind of family that you are living in. If it is a nuclear family, you have to write nuclear family. Or if you are living with an extended family, you will be writing an extended family. So you will be doing this work on your social workbook, page number 17. And here is your second activity. So you are going to write any one similarity and any one difference between living in a nuclear and an extended family. Yes, you are going to write one similarity and also one difference between a nuclear and an extended family. You will be doing this work on your social workbook, page number 18. So, the first activity is about drawing your family tree. In the family tree, you will be drawing the people that you are living with, the family members that you are living with. And the second one is about you are going to write one similarity and one difference between a nuclear and an extended family. So students, now I am going to summarize today's teleclass lesson. So today you have learned about the different types of family. Yes. So the main two families that you have studied in today's teleclass lesson is, yes, what are they? They are extended and, yes, nuclear family. You also have learned about the differences and the similarity in both family. Yes, you have learned about the main difference and main similarity in an extended family and a nuclear family. Also, you have learned some other different types of family such as adoptive family, yes, migrant family, foster family, immigrant family, and also there's one more family which is, yes, blended family. Students, I hope you got some new information from today's teleclass lesson. Inshallah, I will see you soon in next week teleclass lesson. Until then, stay safe, Stay home and don't forget to wash your hands. Have a good day. Wassalamu alaikum.
DPS TeleClass